Since 1950, Gabrieli Tornerie Automatica is a leader in Italy and abroad in the production of turned small metal parts. In 1990, Gabrieli decided to expand its market with the Mega brand, dedicated to precision machining on transfers and CNC machining centers. Gabrieli guarantees the excellence of the final product with the best selection of suppliers and raw materials, both in Italy and in Europe, and with an effective traceability method. To meet all processing needs and even the most demanding requirements, the Gabrieli machine fleet includes single-spindle automatic lathes, mobile headstocks, and numerically controlled lathes with bar passage up to 75 millimeters. The mechanical chip removal operations on vertical machining centers and numerically controlled transfers, together with the assembly of several metal components, integrate the range of available processes. Even surface treatments, carried out by certified suppliers, are part of the Gabrieli service and improve the choice of services offered. Gabrieli is both ISO 9001 and IQ-Net certified and constantly invests in training and technology, with particular attention to quality controls. Latest generation tools and highly qualified personnel ensure maximum performance and reliability. Production matching each customer's designs and clearly and uniquely identifying them represents the Gabrieli company mission. Deliveries in the requested times are always the top priority. Every Gabrieli Tornerie Automatica project always guarantees quality, confidentiality and punctuality.